Loading up the SRT pages right now to give us more information on our vehicle. And I will be pulling in and getting some gas. I want to show you that. So I'll turn, oh, they're really close to me. And get over to the middle, my blinkers on. And now I have to look to see where my gas tank is. And I'm looking down, I'm gonna pull in straight because I'm looking down, you'll see my fuel gauge icon, a little arrows pointing to the passenger side. So I'm gonna pull up and line up my gas tank with that door. I'm gonna put it in park. Always grab your key, put your key in your hand. You wanna get your credit card ready or cash. In this case, I'm a Speedway loyal person and I stack up my points. Have your key in your hand or in your pocket, and I'm looking around. So I'm looking around, you cut off your vehicle. In this case, this has a little gas door. So I push the button, my little door popped open, and you get out. Have your things in your hand ready to go. Okay, so you see me looking around, you see the price of gas. My door is open, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my Speedy card in, and I remove it. Then I'm gonna put my credit card in.
Enter the amount and required info. It's easy. Better together with Maria Benito's.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. It's processing it, and I remove my card, and it's telling me to lift up the handle. Because this is a high performance vehicle, gas, it's $3.32 a gallon. And I put in my nozzle, and there's my nozzle. Now this is a little twisted up, it's okay. And then I begin fueling. I'm gonna put $20 in. What I like to do is kind of take a step back and look around, because people can walk up on you. I'm gonna get $20 worth of fuel. This is the time you look around your vehicle, make sure your tires are good. I'm getting fuel, I'm gonna get $20 worth and just fill it up, because I'm just driving around the local area, not taking any long range trips. So you just keep looking around. You can kind of see what's going on. Always look around your surroundings.